What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we're talking about the unveiling of the new Lucid Air. That's right. Move over, Tesla. This is the American automaker that is coming out with the next big electric car on the automotive market. Now, almost 4 years after being showcased as a prototype, the 2021 Lucid Air has been unveiled and is in production ready spec. The advanced electric sedan brings it with class-leading technologies, an eye-catching design, and 4 different variations suiting different budgets. Now, as of recently revealed, the Lucid Air has a 113 kilowatt battery pack coupled with a pair of electric motors producing up to 1,080 horsepower. You heard that right, 1,080 horsepower. Now, in flagship Dream Edition, guys, the Air can accelerate to 60 miles in just 2.5 seconds. 0 to 60 in 2.5 and a quarter mile in 9.9 seconds at 144 miles per hour. Sheesh. Now talk about the top speed as well, 168 miles per hour. Now other variants to be offered include the entry-level Air, the Air Touring, and the Air Grand Touring. Now the Air Touring's dual electric motors are rated at a combined 800 horsepower, allowing it to hit 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds and complete the quarter mile in 10.8 seconds at 133 miles per hour. Now, it can travel a record-setting 517 miles or 832 kilometers. Now, that's on one charge. And it has also a 19-inch aero range wheel and tire package. By comparison, the more performance-focused Air Dream Edition has a range of 460 miles or 748 kilometers. And that's available with the 21-inch Aero Dream wheels or 503 miles and 809.5 kilometers on the smaller 19-inch wheels. Now, if you do one step down in the range, it brings you to the Lucid Air Touring. Now, this variant is rated at 620 horsepower and can hit 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds, and it runs down a quarter mile in 11.4 seconds at 123 miles per hour. And this model has an EPA estimated range of 406 miles or 653 kilometers with the aforementioned 19-inch aero wheel and tire package. Now, sitting at the base of the range is a regular Air, but range, horsepower, and acceleration details have not been announced yet for this version. Now, all Lucid Air models can charge up to 20 miles or 32 kilometers of range per minute when connected to a DC fast charging network. This translates to approximately 300 miles or 482 kilometers of range in just 20 minutes of charging. Now, inside of the Air, you have a spacious and futuristic design and cabin that looks to aim maximizing space and makes the most of the Lucid's compact EV drivetrain. Now, with this in mind, the Air features a 34-inch curved glass cockpit with a 5K display that appears to float above the dashboard. Key functions are operated through a high-definition infotainment screen that the Lucid dubs the Pilot Panel. Now, this display can be hidden away into the dashboard when not in use, and that reveals a storage cubby. Now, the Lucid Air will initially be available with seating for 3 adults in the rear, but at a later date, it will be offered with executive rear seating that includes 2 seats that can recline up to 55 degrees. Now, the Lucid Air also makes use of the Amazon Alexa and supports over-the-air updates. It also features a Tesla Model S windshield that stretches high up into the roof. There's also a large glass panel over the second row. Now, the Lucid has developed a comprehensive driver assistance suite for the Air dubbed Lucid Dream Drive. This is the system that utilizes 32 different sensors that works alongside GeoFence HD mapping to offer level 2 and level 3 autonomous driving features. Now, the prices for the 2021 Lucid Air start at $72,500 after the $7,500 federal tax credit in the entry-level form to hit the market in 2022. Now, customers will be spending a little bit more for the Air Touring model at $87,500 after the tax credit and set to be available in late 2021. Now, the Air Grand Touring, complete with its 517 miles of range, will be available in mid-2021 and starts at $131,000 after the tax credit. But that's not it. The top dog, the Lucid Air Dream Edition, available in spring 2021, starts at a whopping $161,500 after the tax credit. Let me know, what do you guys think about the Lucid Air? Is it all that it's cracked up to be? Is it something that's going to really make Tesla shake in their boots? Is this the next big thing when it comes to electric vehicles and electric luxury cars? Let me know down in the comments below, because this one is really going to be a real game changer. Let me know what you think. And which model would you take between the four? Would you take the Air Touring, the Air Grand Touring? Would you take the Lucid Air Dream? I would probably take the Lucid Air Dream, or just the regular Lucid Air. Let me know down in the comments below. So with that said, if you guys enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you get a thumbs up, helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this new electric Lucid Air reveal. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help support the channel, check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App. In case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel, you can also check out my Patreon subscription as well, or the Ron's Rides merch. Ron's Rides t-shirts, stickers, coffee mugs, pillowcases, everything Ron's Rides. Make sure you check that out as well. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, see everything I'm posting car related that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And subscribe. We're almost at 500 subscribers. Our first 500, we will be doing a giveaway. We're at 493 as of recording this, so only 7 more of you just need to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys have a great day. Take care, be blessed, and we will see you guys in the next Ron's Rides news video. Peace.